Using SQLite as an application file format has its advantages. It helps with better performance, reduced application cost and complexity, portability, accessibility, etc. But SQLite databases are prone to corruption, just like any other database file. Sometimes the corruption is not that severe, and hence the corruption can be fixed easily. But in case of severe corruption, users have to depend on a reliable solution. So we bring you an efficient solution, with SysTools SQLite database recovery software. Now let's check out the main features of the software. Software successfully scans and restores database objects of huge DB file. And also provides facility to preview all tables, views, triggers of SQLite or DB files. Supports ANSI and Unicode SQLite data formats. And the tool supports Windows 10 and all the below versions. Now let's check out the prerequisites before installing the software. Make sure that your system is having a minimum of 100 MB hard disk space. And the recommended RAM size mentioned here. And also make sure that any of the mentioned Intel Pentium processor, or its equivalent, is installed on your system. Now let's install and run the software to check its working process. The software opens with a simple and user-friendly interface. Click Open button from top menu, in order to open corrupt SQLite database from the saved location. After making the selection, click Open button. Now you can see the software will scan the database file, and after the scanning completes successfully, click OK. You can see database items on the left side pane. After selecting desired checkbox option, hit Export button from top menu to initiate database recovery process. A small window appears with options to export files in either Microsoft Access database, SQLite database, or other database options. Selecting this will give you a list of supported DSN, Microsoft Access, SQL database and SQLite database. But before that you have to create user DSN to export the database. In order to create user DSN, you can go to the link provided. A web page opens, and here you can see the step-by-step method of creating user DSN. Now let's select Microsoft Access Database option in our example, and click OK button. Now the data type mapping window appears, and select SQLite data type, and map it with the other data types, depending on your requirements. After making the desired options, click OK button to proceed. Then click Browse button to choose a destination path location, to save the recovered output database files. And then click OK. Now you can see the database exporting process in progress, and after the process completes successfully, click OK. Now let's check out the output files. Open the destination folder in which you have saved the files. And here you can see the output files. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Please share your valuable comments and suggestions below. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Log on to the given product page for more details and purchasing the product. For any query, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.